Hey guys, Terry with Computer Pro at a embroidery place today. On Saturday they've got higher ceiling. I don't know if you can see up there. It's got a they want to get a jack, move some jacks basically. The problem is they want it down here and there's windows in place and the width really isn't that much between there. I did look up there, if you can see in the spaces there's a couple 2x4s in the middle. They actually want it in this one. And the big ones are blocked. They have framing on top of the windows, but there's the two 2x4s appear to go all the way down. So I'm going to test that, and if so, we'll poke in there. It won't be wide enough for a plate. It'll be close, but probably want to do a surface mount to be safe. Plug a hole in there, throw a surface mount jack on there, and put the 3 plugs in there, or the 3 jacks in there. So that's the plan for today.